Hi, this is Charlie at Attensa, and this is an introduction to our new Attensa Sites feature. Sites allow one Attensa system to serve up content to one or many subsites. This allows each of the subsites to optimize the content for their particular audience or use. So, for example, a publisher could set up subsites for its customers, or an organization could set up subsites for departments, groups, teams, or other projects. We also design sites with optional subscription maximums so that subscription integrity is maintained when content is published from the master site to the subsite. In addition, the master site has visibility into content use on each site and across the entire network of sites. Once the content is on the subsite acts as any other Attensa system, with all the tools to manage, curate, and distribute the content to the people who need it. The pages that follow contain a short course on how to set up and use sites from the perspective of an existing Attensa site administrator. If you have any questions about sites, how to use them, or how to get started, please contact us at support@attensa.com or info@attensa.com.